Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Node, JS, and an editor. Start the project now by making a folder and running npm init. This gives you package. JSON, create index. HTML and main. JS, link the script and open DevTools with F12. Once done, run node main. JS or use live server to see results instantly. Make sure to check Node V and the console for errors. That feedback tells you whether the runtime and file linking worked as expected. Now you dive into how code runs. Write small functions and prefer const for fixed bindings and let for changeable values. This prevents accidental globals. Once done, experiment with scope so closures make sense. Hoisting explains function availability. Also manipulate the DOM. Select an element, add event listener for clicks, and change inner text. Finally, practice arrays and objects, use map/ for each, and handle async tasks with promises or async/await so your UI stays responsive, and errors are. To finish, split code into modules and use import/export so your app stays maintainable, then add npm scripts for start and build. Test behavior with a few unit tests or console assertions, and cover edge cases like empty input or null values. When things go wrong, debug with breakpoints in DevTools and use console. Trace to follow execution. If an error persists, check variable types and console errors first. Type mismatches often cause failures and are usually the quickest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.